Welcome to numbers 21 through 100. In this lesson, you will learn how to count from 21 all the way up to 100. Understanding these numbers is essential for everyday communication. Let's begin this journey together. Before we learn all the numbers, let's understand how tens work. 20 equals 2 times 10. 100 equals 10 times 10. Every number from 21 to 99 follows a pattern based on tens. This pattern makes counting much easier and more logical. Let's start with the 20s. We have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. Notice that we say 20 first, then add the single-digit number. For example, 25 means 20 plus 5. Practice saying these numbers aloud. Now we move to the 30s. We have 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. The same pattern continues here. We say 30 first, then add the single digit. For instance, 37 means 30 plus 7. Keep practicing this pattern. Next, we have the 40s, 50s, and 60s. 40, 50, and 60 are the base tens. Then we add numbers from 1 to 9 to create 41 through 49, 51 through 59, and 61 through 69. The pattern stays consistent throughout all these ranges. Continuing our count, we reach the 70s, 80s, and 90s. 70, 80, and 90 are our tens. We then add 1 through 9 to create all the numbers in between. 71, 75, 81, 89, 91, and 99 all follow the same logical pattern we have learned. We have reached 100. This is a special milestone number. 100 represents the completion of our counting journey from 21. It equals 10 multiplied by 10 or 10 tens. 100 is a round, whole number that marks an important point in numerical progression. Now it's time to practice. Try saying these numbers aloud: 23, 45, 67, 52, 78, and 91. Listen carefully to numbers being spoken and identify them. You might hear 31, 54, 86, or 100. Regular practice will help you master these numbers quickly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.